I'm Joshua Frazier from Cosno High School,
And I'm Maggie Simons from Cosno High School.
and we're telling the story of transformations in geometry to make a Jostridge get his early delivery on his toothbrush.
First, Jostridge needs to get through his bedroom door to the bathroom by rotating. He can do this by first marking the point within Jostridge, going into the Transformations tab, and then selecting Mark Center. Now, select Jostridge and go to the Transformations tab and rotate by -45 degrees. This is a clockwise transformation. Now, select both dots on opposite sides of the line segment, go into the Transformation tab, and select Mark Vector. Now select Jostridge and go into Transformations and Translate. We need to rotate him once again because Jostridge doesn't like this awkward position.
He can do this by first marking a point within Jostridge, going into the Transformations tab, and selecting Mark Center. Now select Jostridge and go into the Transformations and rotate by 45 degrees. Jostridge now remembers his house doesn't have any exterior doors. Help him get into his negative bathroom by reflecting, by first marking the mirror as a mirror by going into the Transformations tab and selecting Mark Mirror, and then selecting Jostridge, going into the Transformation tab, and select Reflect.
Oh no! A wild Mario appeared, and he wants to prevent Jostridge from getting to his toothbrush. Dilate down the drain by marking a center point, and dilate by 1/2. Now, select both dots on opposite sides of the line segment, go into the Transformation tab, and select Mark Vector. Now select Jostridge and go into Transformations and Translate.
Jostridge doesn't like walking backwards that much, so we are going to reflect him over his previous vector. To do this, select the line that he just translated by and going into the Transformations tab and selecting Mark Mirror. Now select Jostridge and go into the Transformations tab and reflect. Translate through the sewer by selecting 2 points in the direction and magnitude of choice, and then going into the Transformation tab and selecting Mark Vector. Now select Jostridge, and in the Transformations tab, hit Translate.
Then make Jostridge turn back into his normal size when he gets into the sewer system by selecting the new point that Jostridge is touching and going into the Transformation tab, marking Center. Now select Jostridge and go into the Transformations tab and select Dilate. This will be 2/1 to reverse the dilation to the previous size. It's Papa Estapa. He wants to talk to Jostridge on his work time at FedEx, but Jostridge doesn't have time or he'll miss his delivery. Select points on both sides of the line segment and select the Transformation tab and mark a vector. Select Jostridge and then the Transformations tab and Translate.
Now that Jostridge is inside the vehicle, he can unbox his toothbrush.
Thank you for watching our project. We hope you enjoyed it.